When it comes to your work orders, there are plenty of actions that can be done with them. In this video, we'll cover the Actions menu in the work order inbox. When you hover over the Action menu, depending on your permissions, you'll see the following options: Add internal note, File close, Reply, Forward, and Print. Clicking Add Internal Note sends you to a screen where you can add a note to the selected work order that only HR users can see. You can also attach files like pictures or screenshots. When you need to close a work order without changing the status, you can use the action option File Close. This files the work order in the history without changing any details like the tracking info. If needed, you can reopen the work order by going to the work order history and using the Action menu to reopen it. Replying sends a reply to the work order as a request for more information, or to confirm with the sender that the message was received. Forwarding work orders works similarly to how you would forward an email, allowing you to forward a work order to a contact or employee who wouldn't normally receive a work order. Forwarding is useful when your team has different viewing permissions in their inbox. When you forward a work order, you can add an additional message type, if you use them, and then select the contact or employee you are sending it to. You can also view the work order history before sending it off. The last option in the Action menu is Print. Clicking this will create a PDF file of the work order you have selected so you can print it. All of these actions are used on one work order at a time. The only action you can use when multiple work orders are selected is the File Close option. For more information about work orders and the inbox, check out our other articles in the knowledge base.